Welcome to Gadget Hunter.
Here are the top 5 affordable tech picks. Number 1. The HORLAT 45,000 lumens projector offers high-quality visuals for a home theater movie experience. Number 2. The VLEC Beam Projector TP350 is a portable, autofocus home cinema projector for outdoor use. Number 3. This portable projector offers impressive features like 4K HD, Wi-Fi 6, and PTZ camera support. Number 4. The Thundia LTD98 Pro is a powerful outdoor projector for a home theater experience outdoors. Number 5. This BioNTech projector offers an impressive home theater experience with excellent 4K and Full HD capabilities. Number 6. The MagCubic 650 ANSI projector offers a portable, outdoor home cinema solution with native 1080p display. Number 7. The HY300 Pro is a compact, portable Wi-Fi projector for home theaters and living rooms.